friends. School just started this week. I look like a mess. I feel like a mess. There's a freaking hurricane outside. It's all a mess. So sorry for the background noise if you hear thunder. But it's time for another unboxing of the subscription Ugly Food Box Misfit Market. Let's see what we have this time. Significant other and I... Jesus, thunder. Significant other and I did look at the what could be in your box page. And when we looked at it, it was like, okay, we're all pretty big fans, like at least okay with getting everything that they have to offer except for the three things, which would be beets, fennel. We got 2 beets, we got 2 fennel out of the 2 boxes, and we don't like it. And we are also not fans of kale. We are a little on the fence about chard, but would accept it just because we're a little on the fence about it. But those are the 3 things that we would be outright disappointed if we got. If you can tell my optimism that we're about to have, let's see how many of those 3 things that we do get. And I did open it enough to get this out, which is kind of like a guide to peaches and cherries and plums and stuff. Probably gonna get some of those, I would say, and just another recipe card. Hello, okay. Bam, I'm gonna remove the sheep because I feel it's distracting. The sheep will go back up after we are done filming. Sorry, sheep. What did I just say about kale? We have kale. I might be able to give this away to a friend. I might be able to figure some kind of recipe out to get significant other to eat it. I'm not the biggest fan personally. I understand the health benefits, but also at the cost of the taste, not the biggest fan. What is in here? It is another crushed box that says pluots. We have gotten pluots before. Hugger Bear, as I was eating a pluot, would not leave me alone because he wanted the pluots. So these look a little bit smaller than last time. They don't look bruised at first glance, at least. They are a lot darker. I didn't hate them the last time, but they were a little bit bitter. So maybe this is a different variety that might taste a little bit better. I think that these are pickling cucumbers. We do not pickle. We just use cucumbers, and we like cucumbers, and actually we might be having kind of like a sushi variation tonight, so these might go in the sushi rolls. 1 apple. 2 apple, 3 apple. I think that the only apples on the website were gala apples. I could be mistaken, but these might just be some small little gala apples. They don't appear to be bruised or anything. Looks like a pretty decent quality, and I'm okay with that. We like apples here. Another thing we like is a big chunkin zucchini to go with our big chunkin summer squash that we still didn't finish off from 2 weeks ago. We still have like this much summer squash left, and we're probably gonna put it in like pasta or something. I don't know. We did get a lot of zucchini. As you can see, one is a big boy and one is a pretty average boy. There are a couple little nicks and dings, but nothing too major. Nothing looks too bruised, so that's pretty satisfactory. You are grape tomatoes. Okay, they are in the little box. They're just little grape tomatoes. They are in their little plastic container, so there's that. It looks like that protected them from being too bruised or anything. Oh, sorry. Bears, come. What were you apologizing for? Because if it was talking, then you just started to do the same exact thing that you just said you were sorry for, making me think you're not actually sorry.
No, I was sorry because I thought I was being disruptive.
You are.
Okay.
By the talking. And then you continue to do it. Okay, it appears we have 2 navel... Oh wait, there's a third one. There's a third navel orange. They look a little yellow, so maybe just a little bit more ripening on the counter. Wait, they were not navel oranges. They were Valencia oranges, I think. So I don't know if these are average size for Valencia orange, but we have them. We probably let them ripen on the counter for a little bit, and these are most likely to get eaten. These, I believe, are beets. So that is 2 of the things that we did not want so far.
Wait, what's the other one?
Kale. There were 3 things that we didn't want, and we have 2 of them. And we got like this little bitty beet too. He's a cute pie. He's a little bitty beet. Celery. I don't think that we've used all of the celery that we got last time we got celery, but I ate celery in chickpea salad. We use it in soups, like veggie stocks. So it's not a bad thing. but it's more of a niche thing for us. This one does have kind of like a little ugly leg, but that's not too bad. It's actually a pretty hearty celery, in my opinion. This is a mango. We've gotten a mango and at least one mango in every box so far. This appears to be the only mango. I have made significant other agree. He will be forced to eat this mango because I am tired of eating all the freaking mangoes. I did agree to give him a mango smoothie with the mango in it. It doesn't look like it's bruised or anything, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. It's all green around, and I think that the orangey yellowiness of a mango is basically just a suntan, so this is a shady mango that did not like the sun. He might be a vampire or just goth, you know, just part of the family here. 2 onions. These are significantly smaller than the head-sized ones we got last time. They're yellow onions, so they're not white onions. They're a little bit sweeter. We definitely like onions. We will definitely use them if they don't appear to be bruised or dirty. And if this rainy weather keeps up, we're probably going to have a soup and chili cook-off at some point this week. And finally, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red potatoes. Like, we like potatoes, we're okay with potatoes. This is just significantly more potatoes than we expected. I think that we got like 2 or 3 a little bit bigger than this guy potatoes last in our first time we got potatoes, and then we had 4 about this size. They don't appear to be bruised, green, soft, or anything else that would be icky about a potato. I think one is going to grow an eye. So yeah, we're ending on just a ton of little red potatoes. So anyways, thank you for joining me for this lovely, wonderful unboxing of food type stuff from a mystery subscription box of ugly food. Still have not gotten any particularly weird shaped vegetables, which is a bit of a disappointment to me. We are probably going to be assessing if this is a subscription that we actually do want to keep. They did just redo their website and I haven't checked it out. It would be really convenient if they allowed us to give like a 5-star rating. Onions, 5 stars, always give us onions. Cucumbers, maybe 3 stars. Tomatoes, 4 stars. Apples, 5 stars. Kale, 1. If they had a kind of system like that they could implement, so they knew who liked what kinds of foods, because they also have cilantro, and me and significant other are not big cilantro eaters, so we would be okay getting it like sometimes, but not every box. And there are people who love cilantro. Give them our cilantro, please do that. I feel like that would be a better way to solve their goal of eliminating food waste, instead of just handing people random vegetables and hoping that they are consumed. And I understand that that would involve more manual labor, but I also feel like it would incentivize me more to continue having this product instead of just flat out canceling it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, especially any recipes that you want us to try with this glorious surplus right here, feel free to leave them down below. New videos are supposed to come out on Mondays, sometimes Thursdays. Haven't been really sticking to that, so if I were you, I would like, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you know when I actually do post. Like always, stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye! For Misfit.
I can't believe in how fast it started raining.
Meet Hurricane Laura.
Oh, this is what?
This is just the beginning.
Oh shit.
It's gonna rain for like 2-3 days.
Oh shit.